In the vast ocean of the universe, two spiral giants dominate our cosmic neighborhood, the Milky Way and the Andromeda Galaxy. Both are massive, mysterious, and destined to collide. But how do they truly compare? Which one is bigger, older, or more powerful? Today, we explore the ultimate galactic showdown, Milky Way versus Andromeda. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is home to our sun, our solar system, and every human being who has ever lived. But it's not alone. Just 2.54 million light-years away lies Andromeda, a massive spiral galaxy approaching us at incredible speed. The Milky Way is approximately 100,000 light-years wide and contains between 200 to 400 billion stars. In contrast, Andromeda spans about 152,000 light-years and boasts nearly 1 trillion stars. Andromeda is clearly the heavier competitor, showcasing its immense scale and stellar population. Both galaxies are majestic spiral structures, but with important differences in their appearance and composition. The Milky Way is a barred spiral galaxy, characterized by a central bar of stars and 4 major spiral arms. It has denser dust lanes, giving it a complex look, and its disk is warped due to gravitational interactions with the Magellanic Clouds. Andromeda, on the other hand, is classified as a classic spiral galaxy with a less prominent bar and 2 main spiral arms. It features a larger, brighter core and a cleaner, smoother shape, though interactions with satellite galaxies distort its arms. The Milky Way is like a twisted, dynamic whirlpool, while Andromeda is more like a grand, open spiral sweeping across space. Which galaxy is older? Surprisingly, both formed around the same time, billions of years ago. The Milky Way is approximately 13.6 billion years old, while Andromeda is estimated to be between 10 and 13 billion years old. Andromeda has evolved faster, consuming dozens of smaller galaxies, giving it a more massive and diverse stellar population. The Milky Way has also consumed other galaxies throughout its history, contributing to its own growth and complexity. At the heart of every galaxy lies a monster, a supermassive black hole, dictating its gravitational pull. The Milky Way's black hole, Sagittarius A*, has a mass of 4.3 million suns and is relatively stable and quiet. It was the first black hole ever imaged in radio waves, a monumental achievement in astronomy. Andromeda's black hole is much larger, with a mass of 100 to 200 million suns, making it nearly 25 times more massive. This colossal black hole is much more active and powerful, constantly accreting gas and influencing its galactic environment. If the Milky Way's black hole is a lion, Andromeda's is a roaring dragon, a true cosmic behemoth. In the race for habitability, who wins? Both galaxies hold billions of stars with planets, offering countless possibilities. But the Milky Way may have the advantage due to its calmer galactic environment and less radiation in the habitable zone region. This galactic habitable zone is crucial, considering factors like metallicity and avoiding major catastrophes like supernovae. Andromeda, with its massive collisions and star bursts, may be more chaotic, but with 1 trillion stars, the possibility of life is enormous. Andromeda isn't just bigger, it's on the move, hurtling towards us at an incredible velocity. Andromeda approaches the Milky Way at 110 kilometers per second, a truly staggering speed. The Milky Way also moves toward Andromeda at 24 kilometers per second, adding to their combined approach speed. This results in a combined approach speed of approximately 134 kilometers per second, closing the distance rapidly. The galaxies are locked in a gravitational pull, a billion-year slow-motion crash that will reshape our cosmic home. In about 4 billion years, the two galaxies will collide, but not like explosions in movies. Space is so vast that most stars will simply pass by each other, avoiding direct collisions. Both galaxies will merge, forming a massive new galaxy scientists call Milkomeda or Milkdromeda. Our night sky will glow as Andromeda grows larger every million years, a spectacular celestial display. The sun may move to a new location or even be ejected into intergalactic space, changing our cosmic address. This collision will reshape our cosmic home forever, creating a new chapter in galactic evolution. So, who wins the Battle of Galaxies? let's consider the key attributes. Andromeda leads in size, number of stars, and black hole mass, showcasing its dominant characteristics. The Milky Way may be better suited for calm habitability, offering a more stable environment for life. Both galaxies are nearly equal in age, having formed billions of years ago, and Andromeda is set for future dominance. But the truth is, no galaxy truly wins. They merge, blend, and rise as something entirely new. In cosmic time, rivalry dissolves into unity, creating a single, magnificent entity. Milky Way and Andromeda, two giants drifting through the darkness. Their paths are destined to cross, their futures forever intertwined in a grand cosmic dance. And as they merge into one, their stars, planets, and mysteries will become a single cosmic story, a testament to the universe's dynamic nature.